Hello, my name is Thomas from Anemo Engineering, and I'm going to show you how to install the tiny retaining washer, the MTHWSS of the medium duty tiny house series. So in the previous video we showed you how to install the MTHWSS, which is the fixed retaining washer, and this one is a loose retaining washer. The main difference is that it's just had a slot here, which you need to bend over the cross pin in order to install it, and you can't use a tool with that. This is more convenient when you need to install small quantities of the stud inside the panel. Now first off, you have a receptacle which is already installed. And then you have the panel in which you'll install the stud. So you push it through. Now this is still sitting loose. As you can see, it falls out immediately. What you then need to do is you take one retaining washer. You need to push this together with some pliers over the cross pin. So when you get one side over there, it's easy, you just roll it through to the other side of the part. After installing this retaining washer onto the stud, you'll see it's fixed and it won't fall out anymore. After that, you install it, you fix the assembly, and you have your fixed assembly. For more information, you can download our catalog or visit our product pages on our website. Thank you.